Imagine a time when humans roamed the earth as nomadic hunters and gatherers, constantly on the move in search of food. This was the way of life for our ancestors for thousands of years. But around 10,000 BCE, something remarkable happened that changed the course of human history forever. Welcome to TimeLine Nexus, where we journey through the fascinating history of our world. Today we delve into one of humanity's most pivotal eras, the agricultural revolution, also known as the Neolithic Revolution. Before the agricultural revolution, humans relied on wild plants and animals for their sustenance. They gathered fruits, nuts and seeds, and hunted animals for meat. Life was uncertain and dependent on nature's whims. But then, some of these early humans made a groundbreaking observation. Seeds from plants they had gathered sprouted and grew into new plants. This realization sparked the beginning of agriculture. The Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East, is often credited as one of the birthplaces of agriculture, and a region that includes parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Jordan, is often considered the cradle of agriculture. Here, the combination of fertile soil, favorable climate, and the availability of wild wheat and barley made it an ideal place for early farming. People began to plant and cultivate these grains, gradually transitioning from a nomadic lifestyle to settled farming communities. This shift allowed them to produce surplus food, which led to population growth and the development of villages and towns. Agriculture didn't stay confined to the Fertile Crescent. It spread to different parts of the world through a combination of migration and cultural exchange. Each region adapted farming techniques to suit their local environment. In Mesopotamia, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers provided fertile soil. Here, the Sumerians developed irrigation techniques that transformed dry lands into lush fields. In the Indus Valley, the Harappan civilization cultivated wheat, barley, and peas. They also domesticated cattle, which played a crucial role in their agrarian society. China saw the domestication of rice along the Yangtze River and millet along the Yellow River. The Chinese also domesticated pigs, chickens, and water buffalo. In Mesoamerica, civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs cultivated maize, beans, and squash, known as the Three Sisters. They also domesticated turkeys and dogs. In Africa, the domestication of sorghum, millet, and yams took place. Cattle, sheep, and goats were also important in African agricultural systems. Goats and sheep were among the first to be domesticated for their meat, milk, and wool. Cattle provided not only meat and milk, but also labor for ploughing fields. Dogs, initially domesticated from wolves, played a crucial role in hunting and herding, becoming indispensable companions to early farmers. As agriculture evolved, so did the tools and techniques used by farmers. Early tools, like sickles and plows, made planting and harvesting more efficient. Irrigation systems allowed farmers to control water supply, ensuring crops could grow even in dry seasons. Storage facilities were developed to keep surplus grains safe from pests and spoilage, ensuring a steady food supply throughout the year. The agricultural revolution had profound effects on human society. With a stable food supply, populations grew, leading to the establishment of larger communities and complex societies. People began to specialize in different trades, leading to the development of crafts and professions. Surplus food enabled trade, both locally and with distant regions. Social hierarchies emerged, with leaders and elites managing resources and making decisions for the community. Farming was not without its challenges. Early farmers had to deal with pests, crop diseases, and changing climate conditions. These challenges often led to innovations in farming practices and the development of new crops and animal breeds. Crop rotation helped maintain soil fertility, while selective breeding of plants and animals led to more productive and resilient varieties. The agricultural revolution set the stage for the development of modern civilization. It enabled the growth of cities, the advancement of technology, and the creation of complex social structures. Even today, agriculture remains a cornerstone of human society, providing the food and resources that sustain billions of people around the world. The agricultural revolution was a turning point in human history. It transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As we look back on this remarkable period, we can appreciate the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors, whose innovations continue to shape our lives today. The agricultural revolution was more than just a shift in how humans obtained food. It was a monumental turning point that laid the foundation for modern civilization. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are curious about our origins. Stay tuned to TimeLine Nexus for more captivating stories from history and the future.